Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register at LSSC Lightning account. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device. And here in the search bar, you need to simply search for LSSC Lightning. Now, this is the lssc.com, which is the official website of LSSC Lightning scooter company. So you need to click on this link and you will be landed on this page. Over here, you will see this human icon in the top right hand corner. So simply click on it, then click on the option of account creation. Now over here, you need to provide your first name, your last name, and here in the email section, you need to provide your email address. You can also provide your phone number because you can skip it and it is optional. After filling this form, you need to simply tap on the option of create account. Then it will say that they have sent an email on your registered email address. So their email should look something like this. So you need to click on this email and you need to click on the option of activate account. Now it will ask you to create a strong password for your account. So you can type a strong password for your account here. So after giving the password, you will have to just confirm this password as well and then click on the option of set password. Now once this step is done, it will redirect you on the login page where you will be able to easily log in into your account. So as you can see, it is saying account created successfully. So this is how you can register at LSSC Lightning account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.